let's do a video on today. And I might as well show off my brake light since it's night time. I don't fucking know. Today I haven't had as amazing as a night as I did last night. I went to cook a beautiful dinner and I forgot that the meat's still frozen. Sucks. There it is. I've got the indicator flashing at the moment. I think it looks nice. I was a bit iffy on it because it sort of sticks out like this. You know what? I really don't mind that. Yeah. Anyway, so I gotta drop the bike off tomorrow, get the suspension sorted out. I won't see the bike for 2-3 days. But yeah, today's been alright. Nothing too crazy. I made the most out of today. I worked on the bike, wiring the backlight, the new backlighting. Attempt number how many times, because it's a different backlight, different style. Still think I prefer the Formula 1 style backlight, but that looks nice. And I think I might keep it on, because it's plain simple, it works. You know. I got in contact with Foresight, the helmet company, and they are figuring out, well, they said they'll send me a replacement part, which is great news. I played a bit of World of Tanks. My dad sent me a text. He's obviously got his phone working in France. But yeah, it's been good. It's been good. I've enjoyed today. I'm glad it's over. Did have a nanny nap at 4 purposely, and I woke up at 7, hoping I could just cook dinner, be refreshed, get ready for the new World of Tanks update, but I didn't freeze the right meat, so that was waste. And now I'm not gonna have a good sleep. But yeah, today's been alright. Oh, Friday I should have carers. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, I think. Oh, this morning I went to Elizabeth to grab Bunny, but that was good to see the world. Well, see Elizabeth. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Ciao.